Have you ever looked at your reflection in the mirror and felt that disturbing sensation of no longer recognizing the person staring back at you? That fragile and thin skin that tears at the slightest contact, those deep wrinkles that seem to appear overnight. That texture resembling crumpled crepe paper more than the smooth, elastic skin you once knew. If you are over 50 years old, what I'm about to reveal in the next few minutes could completely transform your skin in just 21 days. This is not another overpriced serum or a painful procedure that will disappoint you by tomorrow. I'm talking about a simple morning ritual of 3 minutes using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. The same ingredients that 93% of dermatologists never mention because they cannot patent them. Last year, I received over 3,000 messages from viewers describing the same heartbreaking problem. Testimonials like Dorothy from Minnesota, who wrote that she hadn't held her husband's hand for 2 years because of her skin's appearance. This reality affects millions of people, and it's time to act together. If this information seems valuable to you and you want to discover other scientific secrets for aging gracefully, I invite you to subscribe now and activate the notification bell. Your support gives incredible strength to this channel and allows us to continue sharing these revolutionary discoveries that change lives. Together, we create a community of people determined to regain control of their health naturally. Here is the shocking truth that your dermatologist won't tell you. After 50, your skin doesn't just age, it literally forgets how to repair itself. A groundbreaking study from the Journal of Investigative Dermatology reveals that our skin's cellular memory shuts down like a computer in permanent sleep mode. But Harvard researchers discovered that in 87% of cases, this damage is not permanent but reversible. Your skin cells are simply asleep, waiting for the right signal to wake up and start functioning like they did decades ago. 4 catastrophic changes destroy your skin after 50. First, collagen collapse, where women lose 30% of their collagen in the first 5 years after menopause. Second, elastin disappearance, whose production practically stops, preventing your skin from returning to its initial shape. Third, the great dehydration, where moisture retention capacity decreases by 65% after 60. Fourth, cellular communication breakdown, where repair messages get lost in translation. Researchers at the University of Tokyo made a revolutionary discovery that the beauty industry desperately tries to hide. They identified 3 specific natural compounds that, when combined in exact proportions, can reactivate dormant cells in people over 70. The study followed 127 participants aged 55 to 82 for 6 months. The group using this natural protocol showed a 73% increase in skin thickness, an 81% improvement in elasticity, and a 92% reduction in water loss. The protocol begins with a cellular awakening blend of 60 seconds every morning. You'll need 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of pure aloe vera gel, and 1 drop of vitamin E oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, molecularly identical to the oils your skin naturally produced in your youth. It penetrates deeply, rebuilding your moisture barrier from within. Aloe vera contains mucopolysaccharides that retain 100 times their weight in water. The secret lies in the precise temperature of 76 degrees Fahrenheit that increases absorption by 240%. Simply hold the coconut oil jar between your palms for 60 seconds before use. 3 times a week, add the collagen resurrection ritual with castor oil containing ricinoleic acid. This unique substance awakens dormant fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen. Dr. Sarah Chen from Stanford confirms this compound can increase collagen production up to 300%. Once a week, consolidate your progress with the protection protocol using cooled strong organic green tea. Green tea contains EGCG that blocks collagen-destroying enzymes. The first 72 hours are crucial. From hour 1 to 12, fatty acids begin repairing your damaged barrier. From 12 to 24 hours, polysaccharides bind water molecules to your cells. From 48 to 72 hours, the cumulative effect becomes visible and cells finally receive their first clear repair signals. The transformation timeline reveals immediate results. Day 1 to 3, you'll notice immediate softness and suppleness you haven't felt in years. Week 1, constant dryness stops and that tight, uncomfortable feeling disappears completely. Week 2, visible changes begin appearing as fine lines diminish and wrinkled texture starts fading. Week 3 brings profound transformation where your skin feels thicker, stronger, more resilient. Paper-thin areas begin regaining their natural thickness. Week 4 and beyond, others start noticing the change with comments like "you look rested and your skin is glowing." This works because traditional skincare treats your skin like a wall needing paint, while this protocol treats it as a living system requiring nourishment, stimulation, and protection. You're not masking problems, you're solving them at the cellular level. Your skin has incredible health memory and wants to function properly. Sometimes it waits decades for the right signals to start regenerating again. This protocol provides exactly those signals your skin has been desperately waiting for.